Feed water adapter. A feed water adapter connects between the cold water supply valve and the kitchen faucet. It is used to supply water with a 1/4-inch tubing to reverse osmosis filtration systems, automatic coffee brewers, ice makers, and more. A feed water adapter is dedicated to both 3/8-inch compression fitting and 1/2-inch NPT. This video will show you how to install a feed water adapter to an under-sink cold water valve. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water remaining in the connector pipe. Step 2. Unscrew the faucet connector pipe. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the pipe with a towel. Step 3. Install the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve and tighten it with a wrench. Please make sure the O-ring is seated correctly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector pipe to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Make sure the faucet connector has an O-ring in it. If not, apply plumber's tape to the connector to prevent leaks. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Insert the tubing 1/2 inch deep into the quick connect fitting, then insert a locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Step 6. Measure and cut the tubing. Once your application is connected and ready for use, turn on the feed water valve and cold water supply valve. Check and make sure there are no leaks from connectors.